Hello and welcome. It is the 6th day of April 2017, a crypto update. First, talking about multiple exchanges and different prices, and then 3 charts with the very similar pattern. Let's talk about it. Okay. On the 31st of March, when Ethereum topped, this is what HIT BTC had as its high, very high, over 680. Poloniex and Bittrex both sharing 57.90. Crypto Compare, the website that I download data for any crypto chart, its data stated 64.92, which would have came from some exchange. There are other exchanges out there that I don't deal with, but you can have different numbers, and it makes sense because when they all work the same way, where they both have buy and sell orders people put in and then they execute it, when markets are going down, same thing when they're going up, that people are selling in some spots over a 5-minute period when they're going to that section. One can go lower than the other based on its particular bid and ask spread ratios. I noticed that with Dash. When it was falling down towards that target level I was talking about at 47, that I would look at these sites and see some of them having 4 or 5% differences at a time. Even higher when you include it hit BTC. And I think, okay, well, maybe you could transfer from one site to another, but then when you consider that it takes a lot of time and you're not guaranteed to sell at that price when you get there, that it's a risky play to do so, but the prices will always catch up. And sometimes you can see if one site is way too high, way too low, maybe you can figure out where the deal is, where to buy based on which of the two sites, when you have a big difference of the two. I think either way, though, if you're looking to buy and accumulate, then you're going to want to buy at the cheaper site or try to buy at the cheaper site, because then you can transfer it anytime you want to another one because you're going long term on that. But anyway, that's interesting thing that I want to talk about. I got an email talking about this top because I did an Ethereum video. So as far as Fibonacci is concerned, well, it's a tough call now. This one, its numbers are the same compared to Poloniex and Bittrex. We have Fibonacci in at 16,929. And if this thing breaks down, well, next number is 11,208. Remember, these things usually pierce, as it did here. Buy orders in around 10,000, maybe. That's what I'll be doing anyway. The next, I'll be doing the same with Monero. This one looks like it's ready to go lower. Its first Fibonacci level, 16,606, supported here, breaking down from now. Its next level, 13,400. Maybe buy order over 13, 13,100, 13,200, 12,900. In that area, that's what I am doing. Ripple XRP. This doesn't show signs of breaking down, but if it does, 2470. Somewhere up here. Obviously Fibonacci hitting. If it breaks down, well, 1265. And that's where I probably, and I do, have buy orders in the area of. So those are just 3 situations, just looking at where a market goes up, comes back down to its first key fib mark, 38.2 down, supports it for a while, and then on the fail lower. I'm going to guess the bottom is 61.8 down. Thank you for tuning in. Take care.